Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the TK EDC King slider here with me for a review. I'm gonna check it out for you guys, and I'm gonna share my impressions. This is a box cover, we don't care. We have the actual box over here, nice Angry Bear logo. We got a pouch here, and then we got the actual toy, which comes actually with this interesting lanyard, some extra hardware, and an extra bearings, because yeah, there's spinning stuff right over here. So we have a stainless steel and brass construction for this fella right there. What is this? This is a very interesting multi-fidget. Let's quickly check the size first, because we got like 1.18 inches for the width and 2.08 for the overall height, and at this point it's 0.4 inches in thickness, so not too big. For example, this is a AC EDC Milkia, which is similar in concept but a little bit bigger. I want to show you another AC/DC. This is the gamer clicker. This is another slider, for example, that's the Chenyu. This is another slider right here. You get the Tom EDC Mahjong. Then what else can I show you? I'm gonna show you another couple over here. One Wu Studio, for example. This is the Maki capsule. I mean, compo for this, of course. How can I not show you that? That's it. Oh, all right, there you go. Also the Nebula right there. So this is a pretty interesting toy. It's very unique, it's very rare, it's very expensive. This is has become like very hard to get. It is a slider which rotates mainly, but slides like in this direction. All right, so it can only slide in one direction because it's hinged there. So you can rotate here, of course, like that, and you can just slide this only when it's closed. Like if you open this, you're not going to be able to move it. It has to be like in this position, and then you can just slide it like it would be a regular slider, you know, like this. Probably it's better. You have the option, of course, to just rotate it around 360 degrees. It's beautiful. Or you can just rotate this or just let it spin, and it's gonna spin in a silent way. So it's a nice multi-fidget slider, spinner, rotator, how do you want to call it, with some pretty cool milling going on. Of course, this thing is gorgeous. This is the Lion, and this is replaceable, so you can just swap it out. In this case, this comes with this sticker installed, which is gonna improve the smoothness of the operation. You get some King logo engraved right over here, and this hole is gonna be the lanyard hole, so you can just use this as a lanyard, like keychain, whatever. It's a little bit on the heavy side, actually. Let's wait. Let's check the weight and see how much this guy is gonna be in your pocket. 3.66 ounces, so not properly light, but still it's it has a good weight to it. The operation is very, very smooth. It's super pleasant to play with, and this thing is just silent. So see, it's not that noisy. For example, if you grab the Milkia, which I just lost, which is right over here, much louder than this. So something to consider if you like to play in a public space. Very smooth and quiet. This can be gorgeous, like to stealth play in your pocket. Nobody will know. It's an amazing one. Really, really cool. I love this. There's various options for this plate, which is interchangeable. You get like a skinny cat. You can get some lunar surface, engraved plates. It's a pretty cool, nice, customizable fidget toy. So there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned.